Finding the best travel deals on Navan is easier than you might think, especially if you're new to this software. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to maximize your travel budget while using Navan to book flights, hotels, and other travel necessities. Navan is a travel management platform that helps businesses and individuals book their trips while saving time and money. It's known for its user-friendly interface, intuitive design, and most importantly, its ability to find great travel deals. If you're wondering how to use Navan to find those unbeatable prices, stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through some powerful tips and tricks to get the best deals. First off, one of the easiest ways to start finding great travel deals on Navan is to use its built-in price comparison tool. This tool scans multiple airlines, hotels, and car rental services in seconds, comparing prices to ensure you get the most competitive rates available. You'll see everything in one place, no more hopping from site to site. Another feature that makes Navan a game changer is its personalized recommendations. The software uses AI to tailor your travel options based on your past bookings and preferences. This means you'll spend less time filtering through irrelevant results and more time booking the perfect travel deal for your needs. Navan also has an amazing ability to combine different travel services into one package. For example, you can bundle flights, accommodations, and car rentals into one deal, making the entire booking process seamless and often more affordable. You might think these bundles are only for vacations, but they work just as well for business trips, especially when you're looking to optimize your company's travel budget. Don't forget about their loyalty programs. Navan has partnerships with top travel providers, which means you can unlock exclusive deals and discounts that aren't available through other booking platforms. These can range from discounted flights to free upgrades, making it easier to get more value out of your travel bookings. Now, if you want to really make the most of your travel deals, I highly recommend setting up alerts within Navan. You can create price alerts for specific routes or destinations, and Navan will notify you when prices drop, ensuring you never miss out on a great deal. As a bonus, let's talk about booking flexibility. Navan offers more flexible booking options than most other platforms. If your travel plans change, you can often modify or cancel your bookings with little to no penalty. This flexibility is particularly important if you're booking flights or hotels during uncertain times. All these features are why I recommend Navan to anyone looking for a smarter way to travel without breaking the bank. It's not just about finding the cheapest options, it's about getting the best value for your money, whether you're traveling for business or leisure. And here's something special. You can try Navan completely free through the link below. We've arranged an exclusive extended free trial for our viewers. This means you can dive in, explore all of Navan's powerful features, and start finding the best travel deals without any upfront costs. Remember, whether you're booking your next vacation or a business trip, Navan's platform can help you find the best deals quickly, easily, and at the most competitive prices. So, be sure to grab your free trial and start saving today.